What's going on, guys? It's the end of 2017, and I really wanted to make a fun video to kind of like wrap up the full year. While there was a lot of garbage that happened this year with, general news drama and everything else, I had a lot of fun this year. Somehow I still managed to have a lot of fun and do a lot of crazy things that I never thought I'd be doing. So it's a very interesting year, and I wanted to make it quick, my year was personally was the best. So here's a quick overview of what happened during my year.
Life 2017. Here we go now. Here we go now. Here we go now. Here we go now. Resident Evil 7 started the year with one of the best games of the year. Then I got a crazy backpack to hold my longbow in a quick track. Then I played Mass Effect 4. It was alright, but it could have done more. Then I rolled back to Scary Outlast, making monsters jump at me really fast. Torque board in the house. New skateboard with more speed and bounce. Coming back to games again. Little Nightmare, second best begin. Then I went to E3, not just Miss Me, but my homie. Then I got to see the new game, the new hype, the new same, the no me. Then I went to the Xbox party just to see that the games were sorry. New throne, size of a Arizona. Then I got to fly super high, hoping it won't die. Then I went to Canada, hey, where I learned Canada. Next up, Kendrick Lamar. Damn, all I can say, Kendrick Lamar. Start on winning, kickstart on losing. Trying out the Skyflow, the straight losing. Solar eclipse all up in my eye. All I got to see was the sky. Then I got to go boosted cruising. It was dope, felt like I was moving. Time to check your bags. And other crazy knickknacks. Inside a new hot game. Easily one of the top names. Birthday chill, birthday climbing. Marcus, me, and Lewis never frowning. No pebble, all strife. Have to get the Fitbit on life. Travel to Europe, get to Italy. Got to grab on that Italy. Meet my favorite podcasters of all time. Nothing else could be so sublime. Move packing, kinda slacking. Lease is interesting. "2017, 2017." That's a wrap.
What's going on, guys? I hope you guys had a fun 2017 like I did, and you know what? Time to go to 2018. So move forward and see what's going on this year, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, son. Follow me on Twitter, Kid1Afro2, Instagram, Kid1Afro2. Till later, y'all. Peace.